China relationship and ban of their products by Sanvi Sethi, 8th A. China-India relations, also called Sino-Indian relations or Indian-Chinese relations, refers to the bilateral relationship between China and India. The tone of the relationship has varied over time. The two nations have sought economic cooperation with each other, while occasional border disputes and economic nationalism in India are a major point of contention. The modern relationship began in 1950 when India was among the first countries to end formal ties with the Republic of China, Taiwan, and recognize the People's Republic of China as the legitimate government of mainland China. China and India are the two of the major regional powers in the Asia and are two of the most populous countries and fastest growing major economies in the world. Growth in diplomatic and economic influence has increased the significance of their bilateral relationship. Recent India-China dispute. Relations between contemporary China and India have been characterized by border disputes resulting in three military conflicts: the Sino-Indian War of 1962, the Nathu-La and Chou-La incident in 1967, and the 1987 Sino-Indian skirmish. Recent military standoff between India and China began on May 5-6 at the Pangsong Tussauds. Later, a more violent clash took place in Galwan Valley, Ladakh on June 15-16, leading to casualties on both sides. Now, China has reportedly pulled back at least 1 kilometer after 3 rounds of talks between the commanders of Indian and Chinese armies. Possible reasons behind increased China's deployment at the LAC. India being a growing power in Asian region, India's decision to strengthen its border infrastructure, China's growing assertiveness over the South China Sea, political and economic tensions within China due to COVID-19 pandemic. Ban of Chinese products. Say no to the products of China. Why we have to ban the Chinese products? The recent killing of 20 Indian soldiers in Ladakh has angered a lot of Indians who don't want to support China anymore. Another biggest reason is to help boost local manufacturing and enable native companies to make money and provide employment. Another primary reason is China helps Pakistan at every global forum and takes a stand against India. It supplies arms, ammunition, technology, machinery and offers financial aid to keep the pressure on India. Moreover, people are angry about the cover-up of coronavirus by the Chinese government for not being transparent about the information, human rights violation and muting the whistleblowers. On 29 June 2020, the government of India has banned 59 Chinese apps citing concern for the safety and the sovereignty of Indian cyberspace. Proudly supporting Make in India by Sanvi Sethi, 8th